One of the biggest challenges that businesses have when it comes to marketing is unqualified leads.
Give me the leads. Where are the leads?
I'm sure you've heard, oh, I've got crappy leads, or I'm talking to the wrong people. Well, guess what? You don't have crappy leads. You just have a crappy mindset, and you probably have a crappy marketing process.
It tastes like a crappy cup of coffee.
So if you've ever said, I've got crappy leads, or I'm not talking to the right people, know that I created this video for you. So after watching this video, you'll walk away with the missing link between a dead lead and a highly engaged lead that's having a great conversation with you and is ready to buy.
How was the show? Did I miss anything?
All right, so let's dive in. The missing link from leads to sales. And the first thing I want to talk about is, I have heard a lot of people, oh, we just have really crappy leads, or I'm talking to the wrong people. And it's almost like, if that's what you say, you're giving away your power because you're blaming something that's outside of you. So there's a difference between fault and responsibility, right? It may not be your fault that you're talking to the wrong people, but it's your responsibility to fix it. So if somebody comes in your living room and they throw a bomb in your living room, you're not gonna just sit there and let it blow up your house. You're gonna get up, you're gonna throw it out there, you're gonna take responsibility. You're not gonna say, hey, who threw this in here? It's not my fault that it's in here. No, you're gonna get up and you're gonna take action. So same thing with this video is, I want you to take action. After you watch this, go make some changes so that you can support more people, add more value to the leads on your list, and maybe some of them will buy from you. So that's the first thing. The next thing is, I think people have a misconstrued of what the purpose of marketing is. Some people think that if they just see this video that they're going to buy, and there's a lot of case studies, and I know I've shared it myself where, hey, look, we did this video and this turned into this many of sales. But it's not just as magic as showing this video to people. There's steps that happen in between that, from a view to a click to conversations that turn those views into sales. And so what that is, the purpose of marketing, it's about creating a conversation. It's giving the person enough information to make a buying decision or to have a qualified conversation. That's the purpose of marketing. Because then when marketing does its job, then that leads to sales conversations. And you can have a conversation, say, hey, do you need some help? What are you looking for? Oh, I can help you. This is what it costs. And that's when the transaction happens. And then obviously you end up fulfilling, the marketing turns into sales, and the sales goes into fulfillment where you deliver on what you promised you do in your marketing and sales. So I think it's important to just realize the purpose of marketing and where that fits in the stages. So now that you know that, again, if you're advertising or marketing, I'm assuming that you have some type of offer that you can give to people, a free gift of value that you can give in exchange for a name, email, or phone number, right? Whether it's a resource or a tool or a training that you can add value to more people. Because once you do that, then that builds enough trust in your brand to have people want to work with you. So for example, we have a client and she gives away an advanced training on how women can quit their corporate job and get more corporate clients to grow their business. It's very specific. It's a lot of action packed, a lot of value. And people watch that training hey, she knows what she's talking about. I want to work with her. And then they reach out and they engage in a conversation. So that's leads, right? So what happens if you aren't talking to the right people? If you don't have high quality leads? Well, again, I want to reset some expectations. And I got this from Dean Jackson, and I modified it a little bit, but he's saying of everyone on your list, there's 3 different types of people that are on your email list, right? 60% of the people on your list are never going to work with you. They want something for free. They're kind of tire kickers. They just want to consume information, and they're just going to sit there and not do anything. So just embrace that fact. Most of the people on your list aren't going to work with you. Then you got 30% of the people, and 30% of these people are hey, I want to work with this person. As long as you're providing more content and more value to that person, they're going to want to work with you eventually. And that could take 2 years, right? So these people, this 30%, these are people who will work with you sometime in the next 90 days to 2 years. And again, that's assuming that you're creating content, you're providing value, you're kind of nurturing that process, and you're reaching out. And you got 10% of the people, these people are ready to go right now. They're ready to buy. They'll buy something from you or want to work with you sometime between now and the next 90 days. So again, these people are just sitting on your list. So again, once someone is on your list, what is something that you can do to create that sales conversation? So this has been really valuable for us. These are called SPEAR campaigns. And SPEAR stands for short, personalized, expecting a response. And again, I pulled this from Talking More, and I think he got it from Dean Jackson. But there's an email sequence that you can get that engages your leads. And basically, and it's broken down into 4 emails. So I'll break it down real quick. But the first one, it's like a 9-word email. Hey, are you still interested in growing your business? Like for us, hey, are you still interested in YouTube ads? Or like whatever your market is. If you're a realtor, hey, are you still interested in buying a house? Like it's short, it's personal, it's quick. People can reply back yes or no. And again, the purpose of these emails, it's not to sell somebody on something, it's to start a conversation. So you send out the 9-word email, and then you give out the second email the next day is quick facts. Give them all the quick facts. Hey, this is what it is, this is what we do, this is who we do it for, this is how much it costs. Are you interested? Are you in? Like you just give them the facts that they need to know to make a decision and ask them if they would like to have a conversation. And they'll reply back yes or no. And then the third email is you just do you basically do the same exact email as the one before, but you put RE in front of like you're replying back, and you say, hey, I just want to make sure you saw this, space, and you put the rest of the email down there and you send that out. And again, it's more personal, and it's more of an engaging conversation. And then the last email that you can do is, hey, are you in? ? Like you want to come? And it's just like, if you think of how you'd invite a friend to go do something, hey, you want to go to the show? Like it's kind of like taking that, but applying it to your business. Is you're just having these, hey, are you interested in this? And have a conversation and do that. So we started implementing this within our marketing. We sent this email campaign out a couple of weeks ago. We had 50 people respond. We had 50 people said, hey, I'm interested, tell me more. And that started a conversation. So again, if you think you have dead leads, again, change the mindset, work on adding value and creating content for other people, and implement these spirit emails. Reach out, add value, and see if people are interested. Like ask them, like people can't take action unless they're invited, right? So don't be afraid to reach out and talk to them. If you want to go deeper on how to write a good ad that will get you customers and high quality leads, check out the video that we have next, because we break down, what makes a great video ad, how to get attention, engage people, and inspire action. Thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful. Again, I encourage you to implement some of this and notice the change that it makes inside your marketing. Are you talking to the right people? Do you have crappy leads? Or maybe you have a crappy mindset or a crappy marketing process or sales process, or maybe you're just not having the right conversations. Either way, regardless of your situation, in this video, we're gonna break down how to turn your unqualified leads into engaging active prospects. So for context, we have an email campaign sequence that we send out. When I sent it out a couple weeks ago, we had 50 people respond back, hey, I'm interested, tell me more about it. I thought these leads were dead. Through these 4 emails we sent out, we got a lot more people engaged, and I know it can help you as well. So check it out and try it out and enjoy the benefits.